Policy reform in international law, individual sovereignty, confidential relocation, and mandatory state compensation for persecuted minorities by Haradhan Sharma, Dhaka, Bangladesh, August 5, 2026. Executive Summary. The imperative for reform. Current international legal and refugee frameworks operate primarily on a state-centric model, leaving vulnerable ethnic, religious, and cultural minorities trapped in slow, bureaucratically complex, and life-threatening environments. When a state fails to uphold citizen security or fuels radicalism against minorities, the international community must pivot to an individual-centric protection framework. Paradigm shift in global protection. Current state-centric model. Bureaucratically complex with delayed international response. Individual human rights subordinate to state diplomatic relations. Leaves persecuted minorities vulnerable during active state harassment. Proposed individual-centric model. Direct priority placed on individual human rights and security. End-to-end confidential international asylum mechanisms. Enforces direct financial liability on persecuting origin states. Proposal 1. Historical Citizenship Reform. Number 1. Ideological and historical recognition. Global legal norms must encourage states born from historical divisions to offer streamlined citizenship pathways. Number 2. Fast-track naturalization. Establish simplified, priority legal procedures for historically tied or persecuted minority groups seeking refuge. Number 3. Guaranteed safe haven. Prevent statelessness by ensuring clear legal continuity between ancestral origins and host nation citizenship. Proposal 2. Confidential digital relocation. UN oversight portal is mandatory. Must be conducted through secure international protection portal. Point 1. To prevent state-sponsored retaliation or extrajudicial harm, an international body under UN oversight must establish an encrypted digital portal. Point 2. Persecuted individuals can apply for relocation and asylum without prior notification to their origin state until they and their families are safely out of harm's way. Proposal 3. Mandatory state compensation. 100% mandatory financial liability. Enforced asset compensation must. Point 1. If an individual is forced to flee due to state-sanctioned or state-condoned persecution, the origin state must be legally mandated to pay fixed compensation. Point 2. Funds will be drawn directly from the state's international reserves or frozen assets to guarantee family rehabilitation, children's education, and resettlement. Proposal 4. Family unity and integration, ensuring uncompromising unity. Must have protection of the complete family unit. Point 1. Refugee and citizenship laws must uphold the absolute integrity of the family unit without administrative roadblocks. Point 2. Procedures for dual citizenship or naturalization must be simplified for spouses and children from previous marriages to prevent forced family separation. Advocacy and international submission. Submitting to international human rights platforms, UN rapporteurs, and diplomatic authorities. By Haradhan Sharma. Policy Proposal. International Law Reform. Dhaka, Bangladesh.